Anong sabi? Sa usapang pickup truck, syempre hindi papahuli ang Isuzu. Kaya today pagkukwentuhan natin ang kanilang limited edition offering sa segment na to. Tatanungin nyo ano ba ang espesyal dito? Well, aalamin po natin yan. Ito po ang 2024 Isuzu D-Max 4x2 LSA Limited Edition. Let's go! Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Sa D-Max pickup trucks, ang daming variant na ino-offer ang Isuzu. Mula sa base model na talagang stock lang, basic lang talaga, pangharabas, pang negosyo, all the way sa kanilang 4x4 na top of the line. At dito sa limited edition na black, ang kulay na may accents na red, well, do you think it is attractive enough para matawag na isang limited edition? Well, siguro naman masasagot natin yan bago matapos ang video na to. Alam nyo, the thing with Isuzu alam na natin lahat kahit ano pang Isuzu na sasakyan yan, it is super reliable and durable. Ito po ang lagi nasa isip pag-usapang Isuzu. Yung expectations mo na hindi ganong kataas in terms of say comfort or being premium, given na yun You choose an Isuzu kasi pangsabak siya kahit saan, any driving condition, you bet masusurvive niya to. Kaya ito ang biggest selling point ng Isuzu vehicles. And if you think about it, for most of the OG drivers out there, that is enough. Well, kasi naman this is a pickup truck. It is meant to carry, to haul all the supplies na kailangan mo ilagay sa kanya sa likod niya, hindi siya mahirapan. Well, bakit ko naman nasabi to? Well, kasi niretain ni Isuzu ang kanyang 3-liter blue-powered turbo diesel na meron din naman smaller displacement or counterpart pag yan na gusto mo yung kanyang 1.9-liter blue-powered diesel engine. Pero sa higher models, higher specs ng D-Max, it is always the 3-liter version. It is one powerful engine. Ramdam mo talaga yung power, yung torque at arangkada. I can imagine na medyo bouncing yung ride nito lalo pag ala siya masyadong karga. Pero pag may bigat na siya, smooth na. And for me, some pickup owners don't really mind this because they know that this pickup is meant to be rugged. Hindi masyadong issue sa kanila yung ride quality or a little bit of road noise or engine noise. Well, reality is mahirap din naman hanapin dito yung katahimikan na naibibigay na isang sedan. This is a pickup truck with big tires. Sa front fascia niya, kita naman yung massive grille. I mean talaga ang laki niya, ang ganda. Iba rin ang dating niya kumpara doon sa kanyang double sword front grille sa ibang design ng D-Max. Lumulutang din dito yung red design accent sa baba at yung Isuzu logo, ayan. In a way, doon pa lang malalaman mo na may dating siya na this is a special pickup truck. May dalawa siyang projector lamps na magkabilang gilid. Malilit lang siya pero maliwanag. Mga headlights po niya ay multi-reflector halogen po. Sa gilid naman kita yung decals na nilagay sa kanya dyan sa may bandang harap, sa may banda rito sa rear doors at sa likod. And from the way it looks, it signifies that this bad boy can handle and can tackle any terrain. The protective mudguards sa wheel arcs niya tells you the same as well. Mataas ang ground clearance po niya kaya pwede mo siya isabak sa baha. Wading depth capacity po niya is around 800 mm. At syempre iba pa rin na ibibigay sa overall look ng kanyang 17-inch Yokohama Geolandar all-terrain tires. Wow, astig. It is 265 by 70 yan po ang size niya. Kaya you got all the confidence you need on your tires for a pickup truck. Ventilated disc brakes po sa harap, drum brakes naman sa likod. And for me, it is just fine. Kahit drum brake lang po ang likod niya. This is a pickup truck. But then, one of the most outstanding features na meron sa limited edition ng D-Max is this monotube hydrogen charged rear shock absorbers. Ibig sabihin po niya mas upgraded na siya at mas ready na siya for any terrain na masasagupa mo para sa load din na ikakarga mo dyan sa likod. Speaking of load na ikakarga, dito naman po sa likod, unique din ang design ng limited edition ni D-Max. Andyan pa din yung body graphics niya, yung red accents design ng tailgate. Speaking of tailgate, This is a real deal pickup truck, kaya huwag niyo pong asahan na magaan ibukas at isara yung kanyang tailgate. Lalagyan niyo po siya talaga ng effort para magawa mo yan, which is expected for any pickup truck, and it also signifies toughness for me. So overall design, we can say that Isuzu is doing what they can to keep up with the times, at ginagawa nila yung kaya nila to make their vehicles to stay attractive and interesting without compromising the true character na kung saan sila nakilala, and that is reliability. It is a workhorse. For a pickup truck, that speaks volumes. It is a big deal. And speaking of being a workhorse, being part of that is ang kanyang engine. This is powered by a 3-liter 4-cylinder inline blue powered diesel engine with turbo intercooler. It is the 4JJ3 TCX, producing 198 PSI and 450 Newton meters of torque. Comes along with a 6-speed automatic transmission with sequential shift, and it's super reliable, super durable. What can I say? It is an Isuzu. It will do its job day in and day out tirelessly, and for me, that's all you need to know about this engine. Pero dito naman po tayo sa loob ng limited edition ng D-Max. It is spacious. I like the fabric seats at yung design niya, and if you ask me, I prefer this kind of fabric instead of leather. May AC vents po dito sa likod. Okay to, lalo na dito sa Pinas kung saan talaga ang init. Ang laking bagay po niyan para sa mga nakasakay dito sa likod. Meron din po siyang charging port, and from the way it looks, mapapansin mo na yung overall presence ng hard plastics sa paligid, which is understandable. Pero yun nga, sabi nga nila, it is a fact that with more hard plastics, the more engine and road noise na magpe-penetrate sa loob. But in all honesty, for me, pag pick-up ang usapan, it should not be a big deal. And for sure, kung meron man, napaka-minimal lang po niyan. At kung di ka naman yung tao masyadong nitty-gritty sa mga minor na bagay na katulad yan, it should not be bothering you. This is not a Lexus. Pag tinignan mo naman siya sa kabuuan, sitting here in the driver's seat, everything is well within expectations. Pero ang dating pa rin sa akin, on this pickup truck, there is more to it than meets the eye. Well, I mean, importante talaga sa akin yung nagaganda ka sa sasakyan mo sa kabuuan niya. And this pickup truck, talaga nagagandahan ako. But the fact is, people buy this not just because of that. It is really for its unfading reputation. It is super reliable. Tawag ko nga sa Isuzu D-Max, it's a big block of reliability. At hindi lang yon, meron po siyang mga safety features na meron dito sa D-Max Limited Edition. Of course, andyan po ang SRS airbags niya. Meron po siyang brake override system, anti-lock braking system, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, electronic brake stability control, traction control system, hill start assist, hill descent control. Meron din po siyang rear and reverse camera. Some other features na meron po siya, 12-volt socket, remote car lock system, immobilizer, high mount stop lamp. Andiyan po yung kanyang 10.1-inch full touchscreen display, may Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ayan po sa gitna. Equipped din po siya ng navigation system, clinometer, may cargo extender, roof rail. Ganda po ng cargo extender na yan. May bed liner na po siya. Over fender, front bumper guard, side step, at yun nga po ang kanyang astig na body graphics. At dito po sa Isuzu Taytay, ito po ang kanilang price ng LSA 4x2 Limited Edition ng D-Max. It is black in all its glory. Pasyal na po kayo dito. Dito lang po sila located, madaling makita, tapat po ng SM Taytay. Mabait po ng sales staff nila, accommodate po nila kayo. Complete lineup ng Isuzu vehicles available po dito. Pasyal na po kayo. Sa pagtatapos, nasabi ko na siguro lahat ng naisip ko o gusto kong sabihin tungkol sa limited edition ng D-Max. Pero naisip ko sana, yun na nga, may 4x4 edition siya. Para mas astig talaga ang dating niya. Well, other than that, wala na akong maisip pa. Kaya if you want a reliable partner that you can trust and lean on a daily basis for many years of tireless service na ibibigay niya sa'yo, this pickup truck is definitely should be on the top of your list. Ito po ang 2024 D-Max 4x2 LSA Limited. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.